Outlaws. Come on down here, fellas. Mr. Simon Cowell, you hit your buzzer.
Yes. Well, that's why we have buzzers. I tell you why I buzzed you guys. I've always liked you. I thought tonight was clumsy. It didn't feel like it was coming from you. You were trying to learn 5 different things. And I wasn't impressed. This, for me, was not better than what you did previously. I'm disappointed because I like you guys.
Mel B, you're kind of like whispering something to Simon. Look like you got something on your mind.
Yeah, I think that something went really wrong. Are you injured?
Me?
Are you injured?
No,
Because
he's not.
I felt like you were... No, I felt like you were injured, like you were holding back with your routine. The first time the first and second time we saw you, you were really giving it something.
That's like saying, when are you due?
No, but stop. No, I really felt like you have danced way better than that. And the reason why I'm pointing you out, because I thought you were injured or something. I'm so sorry to do that. I just, that's what I thought.
He's not hurt. Now he is. His feelings are.
Howie.
I want to go home. I want to call my daughter's husband and dance with some of his friends and call myself the in-laws. You inspire me to dance, not like the outlaws. See what I did there? You're very good and they're not injured.
He was injured.
No, he's not.
Heidi.
See,
Talk to the gentleman.
I mean, I can see that you definitely worked on your routine and you upped it from the first 2 times that I saw you guys. But I do have to agree, and you can kind of see that some of you are better dancers than others, and that is kind of distracting. But let's see how America feels about it, and I wish you good luck.
But you're not ill, are you?
They're fine, they're healthy, and all buzzers aside, good luck, gentlemen. Don't forget, voting is already open, so you can vote for your favorite acts during the show. If you're calling from a landline, remember, these are 866 numbers, not 800 numbers. Please don't get that wrong. Your vote will not get to us. Coming up, a choir from Chicago's toughest streets, and a guy who never speaks, but you know exactly what he's thinking. We'll be right back.